In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Discord server link. If you want to invite friends, teammates, classmates, or new community members to your Discord server, sharing an invite link is the quickest and easiest way to do it. Discord lets you generate a server invite in just a few clicks, making it simple for others to join your community. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create, copy, and send a Discord server link, so you can share it wherever you like. Let's get started by opening Discord and signing into your account. You can use the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. The overall process is very similar across all platforms, so once you're logged in, navigate to the server you want to share. If you're a member of multiple Discord servers, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one. This helps prevent accidentally sharing an invitation to the wrong server, especially if you manage several different communities. Once you've opened the correct server, look toward the upper left corner of the Discord window where you'll see the server name. Click on the server name to open the server menu. This menu contains several options for managing and interacting with your server. From the menu, select Invite to Server. Discord will immediately open the invitation window where it generates an invite link that other people can use to join your server. Depending on your server settings and permissions, this invite may already be active, or Discord may automatically create a new one for you. At the bottom of the invite window, you'll see the server invitation link. Next to the link is the copy button. Click copy and Discord will save the entire invite link to your clipboard. This means you won't need to type it manually, reducing the chance of making any mistakes when sharing it. Now that the link has been copied, head to the place where you want to send it. You can paste it into a direct message, a group conversation, an email, a text message, or even a social media post if you're inviting a larger audience. Simply click inside the message field, paste the copied link, and send your message. Anyone who receives the invite link can use it to join your Discord server, provided that the invite is still valid and your server's invitation settings allow access. If you're sharing the link publicly, it's always a good idea to review your invite settings to make sure they match how widely you want the server to be accessible. And that's all there is to it. By opening your server, selecting Invite to Server, copying the invite link, and sharing it wherever you need, you can quickly invite new members and help grow your Discord community with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.